Okay, let's do some bad art here. All right. First of all, let's take a group of charges over here that are positive. There's a group of charges over here that are positive. Okay, what does the electric field lines look like coming out? Yeah, electric field lines are coming out of this thing all over the place. Now, as these electric field lines, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since I had 6 charges, I drew 6 electric field lines coming out of there. Okay, now, as these electric field lines get further and further away, what are they looking for? They're looking for a bunch of negative charges over here. So let's put like 3 negative charges here because that's kind of what I've got on this side here. So we've got these negative charges coming in here. Oh yeah, there's my electric field lines coming in here. This one's going, whoa, let's go find this guy over here. Remember, they can't cross. This one goes like this right here. There's my field lines. Now, I also have potential difference lines. Also have potential difference. And here's what happens. Here's what happens. Potential difference lines are perpendicular. Voltage lines, perpendicular. That's the symbol for perpendicular to electric. Always, always, always. To electric field lines. Okay, so got a potential line. Now this one's real close to the pot, so this one will be right. Yep, there it goes. It comes down and goes like this. And it hooks around and comes like this. Okay, so let's call this potential line. Oh, let's just say, for argument's sake, this is 500 volts. That field line's a positive 500. And I'm just saying, now, as I get further out, though, this one's probably only 200 volts positive. Okay? Then this one, let's get one that's really close to this guy. And it'll actually curve around this way probably. Since it's really close, let's say it's negative 300 volts. Notice it changed sign. It's now a negative. I'm in a hole. I'm in a potential well. It can still do work though. We're not used to that. It can still do positive work. Because if I have an electron over here, what's this electron going to want to do? It's going to want to come this way. Or if I have a proton over here, what's it going to want to do? It's going to want to come and join these negative charges over here. So it's going to go from positive potential to negative. And that'll be positive work because its change in kinetic energy will be positive, but it's going to lose electric potential energy. And then somewhere, since this is positive 200 volts and this is negative 300 volts, somewhere in here, guess what we get? 0. There's a 0 voltage line in there somewhere. All right. That was huge. I want to stop here. You digest that for a minute, and then I'm going to finish this discussion of this beautiful. This is great. I think I'm doing a great job of explaining this shit, by the way. Explain this stuff. But anyway, if you're baffled, don't worry. We'll go over it. And I'll look at some of your homework problems too.